Hey guys, Vladimir is here, and today I'm going to present the next installation of our devlog. So this week was pretty intense. We've been working on UI adjustments and Steam integration, and in fact I'm showing the game right now running from my Steam library and not from the Unity editor. I think this is going to be for the first time. So basically we've implemented achievement integration and some other stuff like cloud saves into the Steam. So it's going to be a bit more cooler when you get the game. And other things we've worked on the late game, because right now it became apparent that as you reset the game, as you move to the next galaxy, it's not very clear what you're going to get. So mostly it involved UI adjustments, but other than that, it also gives you the clear message what you're getting after you forfeit the base. And another thing is that we reworked the UI. For example, achievements look like this. The icons are smaller, and some of them have numbers besides them. So when you unlock something, for example, if I unlock the fuel factory, level 5, see, it becomes lit a bit, and the next achievement in line appears. This way, this will be clear what you have achieved and what you have yet to achieve. And also, overall, we've improved the candy drop rates. For example, when you leave the galaxy, you are guaranteed to get some candy because, well, why not? Before that, the players were feeling that they are not getting enough candy, even though they've progressed so far. So this will hopefully fix this. There was also a hangar rework. For example, as you can see, there's no writing that how many spots you have with text, but there are those blue rectangles. So for example, let me just upgrade my ship. So if I buy one ship, you see the rectangle, or rather a square, it just becomes colored, and after some while, well, you cannot buy ships. And another thing that should greatly improve the combat handling is we've added the shortcuts. So if I press the number on the keyboard, the relevant ship is selected. For example, number 3, I select my bomber, and just a second. We've also added the QWER shortcuts to use the abilities. Let me show you with my fighter. So I press Q, the torpedo is launched. The same thing. There was a bit of discussion how we should handle multiple ships. For example, if I select all of them 3 and press Q, well, we've settled that all 3 abilities will be used. So definitely this kind of controls with keyboard adds a bit more action and convenience to the game, and we're actually looking forward on how this will play out. Another thing is that we have the building tooltips now. Let me retreat. And yeah, retreat is also another function that allows you to retreat from battle, but you lose one ship. So when you build a building, there are some tooltips, like what it does. So it should guide you when you're a new player or when a new building appears. And overall, I think this is a good change that is going to add again to the usability. So nothing too major, but if you just collect those things together, it just shows quite a step towards the more finished, more mature game. And I think this concludes today's devlog. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great week ahead of you. And it's only 3 weeks until the release, and we're all looking forward towards that. Vladimir is out. Bye.